As new content creators, we all struggle with views. Getting views on our videos is such a difficult task, and sometimes it's so disturbing and we tend to want to give up. It's not easy. But here is one tip that has been helping me as a new content creator to get at least 100 views on my videos just few days of uploading the video. There are some things that we might be doing wrong without not like we don't really know that those actions we are taking are going against us. And YouTube, if they are very strict with their policies, and if you don't follow their policy, if you don't follow their guidelines, they can start working against your channel. Yes, so this is very important. So today I'm going to be taking you to YouTube Studio so that I'll show you these simple settings or what you have to do or take note of when you are watching other big YouTubers videos, because sometimes when we are trying to grow on YouTube, we are instructed to go on other YouTubers comment section and type some words. Like some people go there to use words like sub for sub. They go there and say things that are against the YouTube policy. So this can actually hinder your views. Like it can make YouTube to start lowering your recommendations. They will not be recommending your content and you might not really know. So I'm going to take you to my YouTube Studio and show you how this comments that you drop on other people's content is really, it can affect you. I'm going to show you right on YouTube Studio to know how YouTube views this type of comments and what they do to such type of comments. Some people can come into your comment section, and most small YouTubers are the ones doing this the most. They will just come to your comment section and they will type sub for sub. They will type so many other words that is not proper. And sometimes in our sense, because we are new creators and we want to grow, we might think that these words are actually proper, but to YouTube is not, because they don't expect you to promote your videos by yourself or promote your channel by yourself. And even if you're doing so, they have the right way of promoting your channels. So anything that goes against their standard is causing damage to your own channel. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, this is the Creative Susan, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So let's get started. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long, so all you have to do is to come to your YouTube Studio by typing studio.youtube.com on your search bar, and you click on these three lines and search for your community tab. Then after clicking on your community tab, you're going to see your comment sections. Yes, these are the published comments on my comment section, and what I want you to take note of is this place that is right here. The comments you're going to find here is comments that YouTube take note of them as inappropriate comments, and so they hold those comments from appearing on your comment sections. So when we go ahead to tap on it, can you see what just happened here? Someone came to my comment section and typed sub, and YouTube sees this as a potentially inappropriate comment to comment under someone's video. So if this person now goes ahead to continue typing this repeatedly on so many other person's video and channel, this will result in YouTube restricting this person's videos. The person will be having low views, and it will be affecting that person's performance on YouTube, and this person might not even know that it's because of the comments that I'm putting out on other person's channel that is causing this. So we're like, on YouTube, they are making it safe for many persons. Like they are actually doing this for our own good, for our own growth. So when we are typing comments on people's videos, we should be very careful to take note of this. Anything that goes against YouTube standard, against their policies, against their what they want, we should be very careful as new YouTubers. So let's go over to the other side and let me show you the comments that are actually published. Like this first person now that comments on my video, it says keep grinding, this is very informative. And you found out that YouTube has already suggested some of this response I can give to the person. They've suggested reply. Like when we give a useful comment, like when we give tangible comments, YouTube themselves will suggest that yes, you should use such kind of words to reply that person. If you see the second comment that this person dropped here, it says you have just dropped what people are supposed to pay for, thank you. So this second one now, YouTube did not suggest anything for this one, because
they don't see it as that important, because when we drop useful comments, like comments that are related to the video, comments that are very useful, YouTube will start even giving you like suggestions on how to appreciate that person, on how to reply that person. So you see, it's very important the kind of comments we drop on other people's videos, because this will eventually affect our own, because YouTube doesn't just take note of what you're doing on your channel, they are taking note of what you are doing on the platform entirely. So this is very, very important. So we need to take note of these important things.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips, for more group tips, and for more making money ideas. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.